Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am taking you guys along and showing what I eat in a day on WW Freestyle, Weight Watchers Freestyle, whatever you want to call it. If you like this video while you're watching, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below if you're a WW member. Are you excited about the new changes that are coming up, the rumors that have been going around? Let me know what you've heard. Subscribe before you leave, and let's go ahead and get into it. Good morning, guys. So I'm starting my day having a little breakfast sandwich. This is one English muffin. This is the Aldi brand, which I thought would be higher in points, but it's like 3, which I'm pretty sure is the same amount as like the low-fat ones from Thomas. I have 1 slice of Canadian bacon, which is 0 points. I used 1 egg, 1/4 of a cup of fat-free cheddar, which is 0 points. So this whole sandwich is 3 points. But yeah, I am currently drinking a bunch of water, trying to get as much water in as I can since I've been slacking. But yeah, I'll show you guys what I have later. I might have some fruit with it later, I'm not sure, so we'll see. Alright guys, now that I've had my breakfast and I've had like about 44 ounces of water, I'm going to have some coffee. I'm going to be using 3 tablespoons of the sugar-free pumpkin spice, which is 1 point. And then I found this at Aldi, which is pumpkin spice whipped topping. It is also 1 point for up to 3 tablespoons. Is that what I said? So yeah, I'm going to be having some coffee because it's much needed today. Hey guys, so I am making 2-ingredient pizza for lunch. I already have my dough ready. It is 1/2 cup of self-rising flour and 1/2 cup of non-fat Greek yogurt. So for the crust itself would be 6 points. For the Walmart brand. I think the gold medal brand is like 5. And I couldn't find fat-free mozzarella when I was at the store, so I had to get reduced fat. I am probably going to use 1/2 cup, which would be 4 points. Now this, it scans 3 smart points for 1/2 cup. Now, I know everyone has their opinions on this, but if you look at the ingredients, like, oh, I guess it does have olive oil. Never mind. I was going to say they're all 0 point foods, but it does have oil, so I am going to use this just because it's what we have on hand. So for some reason the cheese burnt, and I've never had that happen before, and I'm still going to eat it, but ignore my silicone mat, dear God, it needs replaced. But yeah, for whatever reason, the cheese burned. I don't know why. But I did want to say I only used 1/4 of a cup of the pizza sauce, which only ended up being 1 point. I will probably dip this in ranch because I have a feeling it looks a little dry. So I don't know what went wrong this time, but it is what it is. Hey guys, so I'm getting dinner ready, and I am making a recipe by the Skinny-ish dish. I'll link the recipe down below. Felicia has been posting this a lot lately too. It's white chicken chili. So I have all my seasonings set out here. The only thing that I don't have is cumin. I thought I had some, but I don't. It's alright, it'll taste a little different. No biggie. I also have some frozen corn, 2 cans of chopped green chilies, 2 cans of Great Northern beans, and then she used fresh chicken. I accidentally froze all mine yesterday. It was fresh, and then I froze it. So I basically just cooked it in the Instapot, and then I just broke it apart because it will shred as I cook the chili more. It should be okay, hopefully. But yeah, I'm going to put all this in the Instapot because I don't have a slow cooker. I'm going to put it in the Instapot on the regular, like, manual for about 15 minutes. And then I'm going to put it on the slow cooking setting on high for an hour. Hopefully that works out okay. I will keep you guys updated. So the other thing I forgot to mention is I need to add 1 cup and 3/4 of chicken broth. It's supposed to be low sodium, but that's okay. Hey guys, so I'm having a snack. This is the Angie's Boom Chicka Pop, the sweet and salty kettle corn. I don't know the points. I haven't scanned this yet. But yeah, I'm just going to have a little snack. Dinner won't be ready for a couple hours, so. Hey guys, so I just opened up my Instapot, which I cooked it partially on like the Instapot and then partially on like the slow cook setting. Mine is a little runnier than hers. I think it's supposed to be, but I think it's still going to be delicious. I will show you guys what my serving looks like here in a minute, and then I'm going to let you know the details. Alright, so here is my serving, which is 1.5 cups. On her blog post, it said that 1.5 cups was 2 smart points, which meant that you would need to enter 7 servings if you put it in the recipe builder, because there's 11 cups total in the whole recipe. Sorry, my kids are fighting in the background. Alright, I'm going to add like a dollop of non-fat Greek yogurt as my sour cream for 0 points, and 1/4 of a cup of the fat-free cheddar for 0 points. So that would make this 2 points. I am going to be using tortilla chips. I tracked 8, which would be 3 points. I don't know if I'll actually have 8. We'll see how it goes. I think I'm actually just going with the 4 chips. But yeah, this is what it looks like. I will let you guys know how it tastes. Hey guys, this is probably my last clip of the night. I'm having some dessert. I'm having a banana with 2 tablespoons of brownie batter dessert hummus. The one that became famous was from Trader Joe's. This is from Aldi. If you didn't know, they're actually like sister companies or something like that. And it is 4 points for 2 tablespoons. I will say the texture is a little smoother than regular hummus, so it's not too gritty or anything like that. So, but yeah, I think that ends my night. I will put up my final points on the screen, and I hope you guys have a good night. Hey, I just want to let you guys know, I actually did have 2 servings of the chili. I wasn't going to, and I didn't right away, like I waited. But it's so good. But I did put leftovers away. Alex ate the rest, so I don't have to worry about going back. But it's super, super good. You guys should definitely give it a try.